You tap your phone to pay for a coffee. A green checkmark appears on the screen, and the transaction is finished in under a second. This chart shows the scale of the global internet population. 5 billion users on track to generate 181 zettabytes of data by 2025. That is 181 trillion gigabytes of information moving across the globe. Locating one specific account balance within that global sea of data should take minutes or hours. This speed is possible because your screen is a storefront. Behind it, every digital action triggers a highly structured conversation with a database, a process managed by a powerful gatekeeper that prevents the system from collapsing. A database is a highly specialized environment, a rigid structure designed to store raw facts in predictable locations. Managing this cabinet requires a database management system, or DBMS. This is the active software that oversees every entry and retrieval. While the database holds the information, the DBMS makes it searchable, secure, and useful. It is the intelligence that turns a static list of facts into a functional tool. Let's trace a transaction. When you swipe or tap, your device sends an application request into the system. This diagram shows the path. That request hits the DBMS directly. It serves as the single entry point for every user trying to reach the data. The DBMS uses metadata to navigate the structure, instantly jumping to the exact customers or products file required while ignoring billions of others. It retrieves the data, updates the balance, and fires an approval back to your screen in milliseconds. Simultaneously, the system manages security and coordinates thousands of other people doing the exact same thing without crossing their data. This invisible loop repeats millions of times a second, providing the foundation for the modern economy. Rigid databases are built for traditional banking ledgers, but they cannot manage the massive chaos of social media. The internet now deals with massive volume, high velocity, and a variety of data types, from high-definition video to location pings. Our back-end architecture has adapted, moving from simple filing cabinets to highly flexible engines. The DBMS requires a vast supporting ecosystem to function. It is a human-managed environment. Application programmers write the code that connects the user's phone to the complex DBMS. Above them, the database administrator supervises the environment, enforcing standards. All of this rests on the hardware layer, the physical servers where the data is actually stored. This database system environment is a physical reality. Digital speed relies on these servers, programmers, and administrators working in sync. Even the most expensive DBMS software will fail if the system is poorly organized. The structure of a database must meet specific user requirements. A well-built system needs a meticulous blueprint created long before the first transaction occurs. The perceived ease of a mobile app is the result of rigorous structural engineering hidden behind the interface. Data literacy means recognizing this invisible architecture. The next time you tap your card, you will see the meticulously designed machinery working at lightning speed beneath your fingertips.